parsing Boolean values with Argparse. I would like to use Argparse to parse Boolean command line arguments written as foo true or foo false. For example. However, the following test code does not do what I would like. Sadly, parsed_args.my_bool evaluates to true. This is the case even when I change cmd_line to be my_bool, which is surprising, since bool evaluates to false. How can I get Argparse to parsed false, f, and their lowercase variants to be false?
I think a more canonical way to do this is via and. Argparse supports this version nicely. Python 3.9 plus. Python is lower than 3.9. Of course, if you really want the arg version, you could pass ast.literal_eval as the type, or a user-defined function.
If you want to allow feature and no feature at the same time, last one wins. This allows users to make a shell alias with feature and overriding it with no feature. Python 3.9 and above. Python 3.8 and below. I recommend Milson's answer. If you don't want to allow feature and no feature at the same time, you can use a mutually exclusive group. You can use this helper if you are going to set many of them.
Here is another variation without extra row/s to set default values. The Boolean value is always assigned so that it can be used in logical statements without checking beforehand.
Yet another solution using the previous suggestions, but with the correct parse error from Argparse. This is very useful to make switches with default values, for instance. Allows me to use and still use a default value, specific to the user settings. One, indirectly related, downside with that approach is that the nargs might catch a positional argument. See this related question and this Argparse bug report.
Voor orders op orde raden, liefst als een leiding als schrappen.